Pleasant welcome to you all again. Welcome back to Flavors with Opal. Hope you all are doing so good. On today's recipe, I'll be making a Jamaican Easter bun. You know it's Easter season, and I'm just going to tell you a quick run over about Jamaican Easter bun. Apparently, it's been originated from the British, and they took it to Jamaica in the 1600s. And when they took it, it was called hot cross bun. But we Jamaicans, we've decided to change it up, put in all the lovely spices and alcohol, and then guess what? We call it spice bun, Jamaican spice bun. But today with my Jamaican spice bun, instead of me using Guinness stout, I'll be using super malt. You can use either super malt or Guinness stout, but I choose to use super malt. I'm gonna put a bit of Tia Maria in mine and some Baileys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be showing you the fruits that I soak, which is like the mixed spices. So in here it is some cherries, some sultanas, and some raisins, and I've soaked this in some white rum and some red label wine. So what I've got in here now, because I'm making a small one today, I've got 1 cup of all of that which I've soaked. So with that, I'll be using 3 eggs, right? I'll be using 2 cups of butter because I'm only making 1. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go through the recipe with you. As soon as I add them, I'll tell you what I'm adding, and you know as well that a full recipe will be listed. So you can blend yours, or you can just put it in your bun. So what I've decided to do today, I'm gonna blend mine with some of the super malt. So stay. So in goes 1/2 cup. Half a cup of Tia Maria, like I said. Woo! Guys, this is gonna be so nice. You have to try this one, yeah? Worse if you're a person that loves to taste alcohol. So guys, after blending what I showed you, I've decided to melted some butter. So this is a 3 tablespoons of butter, and I've whisked 3 eggs. And when you're whisking your egg, if you don't want it to raw, you just add a little lemon juice. So that's what I did and whisk it. So I'm gonna combine everything together into this bowl, and you don't have to do that if you don't want to. What you can do, you can put them all on the fire, all the liquid, and just warm it. But because I don't want to do that, I'm just gonna incorporate everything inside here. This is 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar. So I'm gonna mix everything like this. So here is the mixture, nice and smooth, and this is the wet ingredients. And in here, I've got a tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1/2 teaspoon of rose water, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond essence. So I'm putting it all in here. And then I mix it all around. And in my bowl here, I've measured 2 cups of self-raising flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And in here, I've got a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, and some allspice. So everything now I'm gonna combine all together here, and I'm gonna mix it, and then I'll come back and show you. So guys, look at it. This is the mixture. So what I've decided to do, I've decided to add some molasses, and you don't have to add it, it's optional. And that's gonna be like a tablespoon. Yeah. Oh, the molasses is so thick I can hardly get it out, but I'm gonna warm a little tip of water and put in there. And this is some honey. Wow. So this is gonna be like 2 tablespoons. And I forgot to tell you as well, I had a tablespoon of jam. You can use any jam you want. I've chose to use strawberry, but guava is the main one. So this now I'm gonna combine all of this together and show you. So guys, I need to ask you how you all doing. Hope you are doing so fine. Before I put this in the oven, I just want to say thank you guys for all your subscription. Thanks to my loyal subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe, like the video, share it, comment on it, because that's what's grow my channel. Thank you so much guys. And what I'm doing now, I'm gonna grease this pan here. This is about 7 inches, I think. So I'm gonna grease it with some butter and I'm gonna put it in the oven. So guys, this is it. That's ready for the oven. I'm gonna put some cherries on top. You can cut your cherries if you want, but for me, this is gonna sink. And then it's gonna go right in the oven. So let me just show you guys. Let me show you. You need to try this recipe. It's very nice. It's our Jamaican tradition. In every Jamaican household, you will find Easter bun, cheese, fish, bread, and vegetables for Lent. Here you are, and that is ready for the oven. So when you see it next, it's when it's finished baking. So make sure you set your oven at your gas mark that your oven have. Mine is free, so I'm gonna put it in gas mark 3. After 45 minutes, the spice bun is finally made. Look what I do now. I'm gonna take it out and show you. It's nice and cool. So this is it now. I'm gonna cut it and show you. I should have. Right. Wow, this is very nice. Look at it. Very nice. Nice and soft. I'm gonna cut a slice and taste. You can see, look at that, look at that. I just want to say to you guys, you need to try this recipe. Thank you very much for all the subscription, like I said before. And after 45 minutes, nicely cool and it's baked. So I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. Love you guys, cup of tea and chill.